Hello, for today's video is how to fix Snapchat camera problem. Snapchat, where it keeps telling you both Snapchat is camera up and it shows you that weird emoji has to continue. You need to allow camera access in settings. Now, this is the thing, right? Whether you have an iPhone or Android, you can get the same exact pop-up. So what I could recommend doing in this specific situation is really just allow camera access to your specific Snapchat app. So this is a very basic thing to do. So what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your settings, then go to apps, then go to manage apps, then you're gonna search Snapchat. You're gonna go to app permission and make sure that the camera access is toggled on. Now, you can check and go back to Snapchat if it is already fixed. Now, there can be some situations where you can do that, you allow the camera access, but they absolutely do that pop-up on that specific case. What you have to do is you'll have to update the Snapchat most likely. So what you want to do is you go into your Play Store, then you're going to type Snapchat. Then if it says update, it means that you need to update the app. If it says open, it means your application is up to date. So there can be many times where this little pop-up will come up. All you have to do is just update Snapchat and that probably should fix it too. Now, for some reason, if that doesn't work either, another thing I'd recommend doing is to see if Snapchat is down. You can make your way over to websites like downdetector.com and some other websites. And all you want to do is go ahead and double check that Snapchat isn't actually down, because if it's down, you're just going to have to wait and it out. But if it's not down, then it may be a network connection problem on your side. You may have to reinstall Snapchat. You can also see if there's another update available, but typically those are the main ways to go ahead and fix the specific issue. So if you have any other questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.